Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my video series that I'm doing right now, which is the Journey to $1 Million. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm just going to talk a little bit about a website called Inbox Dollars, and this is where you can make extra money from the convenience of your own home, just online. And I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the different ways that you can earn through Inbox Dollars. So here we are. This is the website here, and like I've done in the past videos, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can go and sign up. This is a free to sign up website, and it's just real simple surveys, tasks, just little things you can do to earn extra money. As you can see, this is I've logged in, so this is my account, and I have $18.87 so far, and I can cash out once it gets to $30. So I still have I'm over halfway there. So I've cashed out with Inbox Dollars several times over the years that I've been with them. So I know it works, and I know that they do pay you. I get it with a check through the mail, and it's very quick processing time. I've never had any issues with it, so this is why I like this particular website. Okay, so really quick, I just want to go through a few of what I consider to be the best use of your time when you are making money on Inbox Dollars. So I'm not going to go through every single thing you can do, because there's a lot on here, but I'm going to go through kind of the things that I do and what makes most sense to me. Like I said, that doesn't waste a lot of my time. So the first thing you're going to do when you log in, you'll see right here, these are the emails you have waiting. I have one, so I'm going to click on it. And here they are. They'll be listed down this column right here. And all you have to do is click confirm this paid email, and it'll open up a new window, which you can just exit right out of. You don't have to do anything with that. And then here it says, congrats, you earned more money towards your goal. So I didn't have a whole lot this morning when I signed in, but a lot of times there'll be anywhere from 10 to 12 emails here and you just go through just like I showed you, and click through all those. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you this over here, the Learn and Earn. I always do this. This is once a day. So it's just a real simple multiple choice question. It says, what is the study of grasses called? I honestly have no idea, so I'm just going to pick one. Okay. And I mean, it tells you the correct answer. Great, now I know for future reference. But so what that did was it earned me scratch and win progress. Okay? And what that is, if you'll see this bar up here, it says scratch and win. And they got a bar that goes all the way over here. And in these designated spots, you've got some dollar signs. So this scratch and win progress, once it reaches this box here, I'll be able to click on it. And it's locked right now, but I'll be able to scratch and win up to $10. That's that price point there. And then the second one here is win up to $25. And this very last one is win up to $100. Now, I'm going to be real honest, I have never gotten the highest amount, the 10 or the 25 or the 100. But I've gotten a $5 one time, and I usually get, 3 or 4 more cents. It's real easy to do, so that's how that works. The other thing I like to do is search, because this is real easy. All you have to do is 4 searches, and it gives you progress on the scratch and win. So you're just going to type in anything. So we're going to put grasses. Okay, and we're going to type in one more. Let's see. We'll put Black Friday. It doesn't matter what you search for. Try to be original. Don't just search for the same term over and over again. How about camping on the beach? And over here you see I'm 3 out of 4 now. And so I want to get one more, and we'll do how to make money online. And now I've reached 4 and 4, and you'll see my scratch and win bar just went up quite a bit. So at this point I could click here and hit scratch now, or I could keep going and try to make it to this one. So that's what we're going to try to do today. So we're going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you one of the other things that I like to do is games. This is a new one that they've just incorporated, so you can do any of these games here. And they're real simple. We'll do Candy Jam, and this will earn you scratch and win progress, okay? Okay, so game over as far as we got. That was fun. And as you can see, the scratch and win progress, we're almost there. So I'm going to show you a real simple way to get past this. One thing you can do is you go here to TV, and you have all these options down here, and you can just let this run. So if you have your computer open, you're doing stuff in your office or wherever you are, or you can even switch over to another screen. So let this run. We're going to hit play. I'm going to mute it. Okay, so this is going to continue playing here. And you can see this is only 32 seconds. And you can do whatever you want. You don't have to sit here and watch it. Obviously stay on this screen in this tab, but you can open up a new tab. You know, go to Google, search for stuff, do whatever you want, and then come back to it and see it's still playing. And what it's going to do is it's going to move your progress along. See? So now it's on to the next video. And it's just going to keep doing that. So if you leave this open for a while, maybe you're going to do some housework and you're going to clean or whatever, you can just leave this going. Now you want to check back and make sure it's still running every once in a while, but this is a real easy way to get some scratch and win progress here. We're going to see if we can hit this mark. Okay, so you can see that the bar has moved to this next one, which we could scratch now, or we could keep going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and scratch now and show you, see if we can get something. There's 2 cents. You have to match 3. That's how that works. So I matched 3, 2 cents. So I get 2 cents. Okay. I'm going to show you another little trick. This is currently working this way. I don't know if they'll figure out this. It's a little bit of a glitch. So we have a survey here that for 50 cents. You can start the survey. And here you have to enter your phone number to verify your identity. So I just right back out of that. And I click a different one. And it's going to bring up the same thing. So I back out of that. And you're going to bring up one more. Okay, same thing. Alright, so now we didn't make any money from that. But if you look right here, every survey that you do or that you attempt to do, they give you 3 spin-and wins. Well, they gave you 1, excuse me. Now I just accumulated 3 spin-and wins. So let's go down there, I'll show you that. And I didn't actually have to complete the surveys at all, so we're going to go to Use My Spins. And here's the wheel. You can see there's a $5. I've gotten that one before once. Normally don't get that. I usually get this, which is the scratch and win progress. Okay, so that's some scratch and win progress. As you can see, the bar moved again. Okay, some more scratch and win. That's usually what I get, to be honest, but it's a real easy way to get some. There we go. So that was my third one. But I can sit here and go through all these surveys and do exactly what I just did and get some more spins. Okay, so that's the main way that I make money on Inbox Dollars. And then, of course, the other way is to refer people. You can make a very good referral income, which I will probably touch on again. We'll just do the referral calculator here. You refer somebody and let's say they earn 10 bucks. You're going to get a $1 bonus for just referring them, and then you're going to earn from their $10 $2.50. So that's a pretty good bonus. It's 30% of whatever they make, and then of course the $1 when you first sign them up. So that's pretty powerful. You can really make a lot of money if you refer a lot of people, and they're making money for you when you're not even on the site. So that's basically the overview of Inbox Dollars. This is one of the websites that I use in conjunction with some other ones that I've mentioned in other videos, because it doesn't make me a ton of money, but if you add it all up with the other programs, you know, it does add up to a lot at the end of the month. So this is one of them. We're going to get more in depth with some of the affiliate programs and some of the platforms that really make me a full-time income online. So I'll be bringing that to you in some of the future videos. So if you're interested in learning about that, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.